Okay, at this point, I think you know that I'm a color code type of person. I love symbols and things that can help keep me organized. So in this quick workshop, I'm hoping to show you ways that may help your students stay organized as well. So these are emojis that are being put right into your subject line of your emails. So that can just be helpful maybe to organize things up here. Hey, A2 class. This is a bit messy. They probably both should have been the same size, but I think you get my drift. So anyhow, so these emojis can be put right into the subject line of your emails. Additionally, they can be put inside of assignments like this or inside of your topics. So how to do that? So if I want to come in here and edit, I can put my emojis right here. Now, where do I get these emojis? Well, one of my favorite places is called Emojipedia. So you can search Emojipedia, you can look at most popular, you can look at the history of emojis and how these things got put together. But under the symbols tab, there are some that may suit your need for just gaining attention. So let's look at this bright light button or bright button. So sometimes you'll see in emails where I'll be able to just copy these and stick these in certain emails, like right inside of the text. But for the most part, these are the Unicode emojis. These are a lot more versatile. So these might be the ones that go where you can't usually put these other big ones. So but they still do the trick. So if you copy that, if you're familiar with ASCII, it's Unicode is the more up-to-date version of ASCII that includes emojis now. So now you can see that this assignment here has, let's just go here, has this nice little mark. And again, back to Emojipedia. Anything you can imagine is pretty much in here. So emojis can also organize and simplify your life inside of your Google Drive. So you can rename a folder with an emoji to begin with, and again, might just be eye-catching. In addition, you probably know this as well, but you can change the color of any folder too. So if I knew, matching your folder color with an emoji, holy cannoli. So anyhow, that's an option. But the other thing that's really important about this is when you rename a folder or a document, a file with an emoji, it will go to the top of the alphabet. So if you're looking at things alphabetically, asterisks, those types of symbols, but your emojis as well will go before your numbers, and then of course before your A through Z. So why is that important? Because you know that you can change it here. I think it's really important when you hit this little drop down in your drive, this only can be alphabetical. So now when I'm grabbing something to write into a folder, which is what I do often, I usually like to have my folders, the ones that I'm moving things into, right here at the top. That way I don't have to scroll and scroll and scroll through all my folders every single time I'm dragging something in. So what I usually do is make it, I usually do an asterisk, but now that I know about my emojis also being up at the top, these are the ones that I use often, so they're right here on my pull down. So just another way that emojis can help you stay organized.